mermaid tail? Or maybe you want to become a unicorn? Then go quickly to a fairy tale tailor. How can you make your own magical look? Watch and learn in our new video. This weather is too hot for poor unicorn. Its fur makes surviving this time of year very difficult. It's high time to renew its wardrobe. This is such an interesting ad. Edna Modai provides superhero couturier services. I think she can help. We should call her. Great Edna is looking for inspiration. It's the first time she's ever heard a unicorn's voice over the phone, but she gladly makes an appointment. I wonder what outfit I should make for this rainbow animal. At last, Unicorn comes to the legendary Edna Modai's atelier. There is all kinds of stuff here. And here comes Edna. First of all, the great fashion designer signs an autograph. Let's begin. Have you ever taken unicorn clothing measurements? It's not easy. The unicorn just can't stand still. How is Strict Edna supposed to work then? Let's take measurements of its waist, back, paws, and the distance from the horn to the tail. Now, let's get down to business. Edna's process of creation is in full swing. Fabric is flying around everywhere, and the sewing machine overheated from her talent. What will she make? Will she make an outfit for Unicorn Fashion Week? Edna has been looking for suitable fabric for a long time. Fabric for unicorn clothing should be light as the wind, flowing like water, and be colorful like a rainbow. Oh! It seems that I've found something. If you don't have as much of a selection as Edna does, we will tell you what to do. Take an old light-colored shirt, mark the armhole, and fasten the fabric with pins. And cut off the sleeves. Remove the label. Cover your table with plastic wrap. Add water to acrylic paints of different colors. You will need 1 teaspoon of paint for every glass of water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Let's sprinkle the shirt with paint. Start from the top. Spray yellow in front. Cover the clean part with plastic wrap and wrap the top. Color the back of the shirt. Lay plastic wrap over the top, leave a white strip, and use pink next. Then, spray some purple. Try to create a smooth transition of colors. Dry and iron the colorful shirt so that the paint doesn't come off. Now you can hand wash it. Decorate the collar with a string of rainbow sequins. Cut out a round hole for a tail at the back. Gather fabric at the top. Unicorn got bored waiting for its order. You can't run around or jump like you can at home. There are no friends to play with here, and there's no air conditioning. I really want to go for a walk in my new outfit. At last, Edna Modai comes with the long-awaited present in her hands. What did she bring me? Unicorn is thrilled to open the package. Come on, hurry up to the dressing room. And here's the star piece of unicorn fashion for this season. Unicorn will be cool and comfortable in this light shirt. But we forgot something. No horn, no unicorn. Edna made a light flower version. Cut a segment template out of a holographic rubber fabric. Fold the top and hot glue a horn. Make cuts at the base. Stuff the horn with polyester fiber filling and hot glue a round bottom made from the same fabric. Fasten the horn to a headband. Make ears from soft glittery details. Hot glue them to the headband. Decorate the headband with foam rubber sheet flowers of light colors. Attach beads. Now the outfit is complete. Unicorn should look in the mirror. It's so pretty! But it seems that Edna forgot about another important detail. Wait, where is my favorite tail? One moment, the fashion guru will fix her oversight right now. Attach 3 glue sticks together for the base of a tail. Shape it so that it is bent. Sharpen the ends of the sticks with a utility knife. Cover the base with felt strips. Hot glue fake colored hair. Add colorful strands and adjust the tail. Secure it with a thread at the base. Prick a belt with an awl. Insert a screw and a washer. Twist the screw into the base of the tail. Hide the thread with a few colorful strands. Fasten it with hot glue. Now, Unicorn's outfit is all set. The rainbow tail is perfectly in place. Unicorn can go for a walk with fairy tale friends. Unicorn is happy. It's not hot in this outfit, and it can spend the entire day by